You would think as a professional stylist, my closet would be picture perfect, right? But when I went through my own Closet Detox Bootcamp recently as the leader and a participant, I learned some powerful lessons that even surprised me. And they might change how you think about your wardrobe as well. So I have 5 lessons that I learned from my own Closet Detox. If you're ready to hear them and learn more, let's dive in. Well, hello, my name is Tina Schwan, and I'm a personal stylist. And over the years, I've helped countless women create wardrobes that make them feel confident and empowered. But today, I'm pulling back the curtain on my own closet detox right here in my closet and sharing what I learned from the experience. Because the truth is, even stylists are a work in progress. So if you're ready to clear the chaos and create a wardrobe that works for you, stick around. Like I said, I've got 5 key lessons that can help you simplify your style and feel more confident every single day. So here we go. Lesson number 1. Even stylists are a work in progress. I've spent the last 2+ years really curating my signature style and building a wardrobe that reflects who I am as a person from the inside out. But guess what? I still found clothes in my closet that didn't belong there, pieces I had bought just because they were a good deal, or maybe they were an impulse buy, but they didn't align with my personal style. I did not love them. And honestly, I wasn't even wearing them. So away they went. The takeaway, just because you know better doesn't mean you can't improve. Style is definitely a journey and not a destination. Okay, lesson 2, the 80-20 rule is a real thing. You've probably heard the saying, we wear 20% of our wardrobe 80% of the time. Well, during my detox, I lived this reality. I realized just how many items were taking up space, but never actually getting worn. And here's the crazy part. When I let go of those items that I wasn't using, I actually felt like I had more outfit options, not fewer. Why? Because it became so much easier to see and style the clothes that I actually love. So if you're feeling like you have nothing to wear, it might be time to clear out the pieces that are just taking up space. Lesson 3, archiving clothes can be motivating. This next lesson kind of hit me on a more personal level. I had several pieces in my closet that no longer fit me because I've gained a little weight. And every time I walked in, they felt like a constant reminder of who I used to be. So instead of getting rid of those 2 small items, I chose to archive them and store them down in my basement on a separate rack out of daily view. So what happened next sort of surprised me. I felt less stress and guilt every time I came in my closet, and I became more motivated on my health journey, knowing that some of my favorite pieces are down there waiting for me. So I can't wait to get into them. So if certain items are making you feel guilty or discouraged, try archiving them instead of letting them take up mental space and chaos in your mind. All right, lesson 4, community makes a difference. One of the most powerful lessons I learned wasn't about clothes, it was about people. So hosting the Closet Detox Bootcamp this month with a group of amazing women reminded me how powerful community support really can be. We shared our wins, we supported each other through the tough decisions, and we made the process fun by sharing in it. So if you're struggling to declutter, come join our online community. I have a free community. I'll put the link below. And also, I have another closet detox that will be happening in the spring. So feel free to join the wait list for that. And the last one, lesson 5, the closet detox that I went through inspired me to declutter the rest of my house. So I didn't stop at my closet. Once I felt the clarity and empowerment that came from detoxing my wardrobe, I was motivated to take care of some other areas. So things like old skincare and cosmetics that I wasn't using went away, home decor that no longer is suiting me, and even the mental clutter. So I've got a ton of emails that I get every day that I just automatically delete. So I unsubscribe from those as well. So decluttering really can create momentum for you. Once you start, you'll feel more in control of every aspect of your life. So I have to say, these lessons have transformed my approach to both my own personal style and how I teach style as an online style educator. And if this resonated with you and you're ready to clear the chaos out of your closet, I'd love to invite you to join the waitlist for my larger program coming up, my signature style program launching in the spring. I'm super excited about it. I could talk for days about that. But inside, we're going to go deeper than just Closet Detox. We'll explore how you define your personal style, build a wardrobe you love, and show up as the most confident version of yourself. Because style, your personal style, not only affects what you put on, it's how you put yourself out there. So in the description, there'll be a wait list down below. There's limited spots available, and it will be coming in the spring. And I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. So which one of the lessons resonated with you the most? And are you inspired to start your own closet detox? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll share my step-by-step method for building a capsule wardrobe. So I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for being here. Take care and God bless.